Great video creative is critical to the success of a TrueView for Action campaign. But good news, it isn't rocket science. Every online marketer should be able to guide the creation of an effective video ad, whether you're using a creative agency, video production partner, or producing your own video. In this video, we'll show you the ABCD framework of effective video ads and how to use the YouTube Creative Directory to find a partner who can help you make one. TrueView for Action Ads is a space for you to show and tell what makes your business great. It's an opportunity for you to introduce yourself, your product, the problem you solve, and the solution you offer. These are full sight and sound pre-roll video ads that include both a skip button and a call to action button, so you know when people watch and you know when they click. TrueView for Action video ads can be horizontal, vertical, or any shape. They can also be any length, although it's usually recommended to focus your message into a shorter ad between 15 and 30 seconds. No matter how you use the space to introduce your business, grab the viewer's attention from the start. Design for sound on, and remember to have a clear call to action or offer.
Order online today and get 20% off.
Let's discuss how to outline an effective TrueView for Action ad. Most ads that drive action generally follow a basic story arc. They establish a problem or need, introduce the product or service as a solution, highlight and explain additional features and benefits, and invite people to take action. This template is a flexible starting point. Some ads emphasize the problem statement to prove why viewers need the product or service. Other ads skip the problem statement and simply show off what makes the product great. You can also try leading with the call to action or offer. No matter who's creating your ad, outlining the key moments in your ad is a great tool to help guide the creation process. When it's time to actually produce the ad, follow the ABCDs of effective creative. Google conducted an analysis of thousands of pieces of creative and found that effective ads on YouTube usually do the following. A. Effective ads attract attention in the first 5 seconds. Front-load your message and capture attention through fast pacing, tight framing around faces and products, and memorable imagery. B. Effective ads are also intentional about branding. Introduce your product or service in a way that feels clear, authentic, and natural. Also, remember to use audio and visual cues, like your logo, colors, or brand mascot. C. Effective ads connect with viewers. Now that you've hooked your audience and introduced your brand, how do you keep them watching and ensure your message resonates? Use functional messages that convey the features and benefits of your product or service. Also, showing everyday people that look like your customer can create a connection and increase product consideration. And finally, the D of ABCD. Direct the viewer to take action with a clear and specific call to action or offer. This is critical if you're trying to drive clicks and conversions. Don't forget, the majority of YouTube ads are viewed on mobile devices, so zoom in on faces and products, use bright footage and colors, and ensure text is large enough to read on a small screen. Okay, ready to create a TrueView for Action ad? Head on over to the YouTube Creative Directory at youtube.com/ads to find third-party video creation partners who are ready to help. Partners are trained in YouTube best practices and offer solutions across a range of budgets and styles. Some creative partners offer self-service tools that allow you to upload your own images or video clips or use stock video footage. This allows you to quickly and efficiently create multiple ads from your own laptop. Other partners specialize in full-service video production. They'll help you develop a creative concept and handle all aspects of scripting, talent, filming, and editing. For this option, we recommend budgeting several $1,000s in several weeks or more. And lastly, the YouTube Creative Directory also includes partners who specialize in advanced editing services, who can take your existing video and edit it for you based on best practices. In youtube.com/ads, select the Making a Video Ad page, filter by the creative support you need, and then select and reach out to a creative partner of your choice. That's it. Whether you create a video ad yourself or work with a creative partner, you should now feel empowered to guide the story arc and follow the ABCDs. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.